Hey guys, what's up? Screaming Uncle's back here, and today, let me put my mic close to my face. Sorry. Today I'm going to be playing a game called Swamp Simulator. From the looks of it, looks like it's for Shrek. Yet again, I'm going to play another Shrek game. Single layer. What the heck? Sorry, I'm fixing my mic a little bit. Oh, my. I'm not really sure what to expect here. So, that fire? There's a house. Not sure I should go in the water. Can I? Yeah, I can. Okay, so I can jump. Do a couple normal things that you should be able to do in video games. It's definitely green. I'll give it that. I don't know if it's a swamp, but it's definitely green. Hi, laddie. I mean, is that an onion?
Ogres are like onions. They stink? Yes. No. Oh, they make you cry? No. Oh, you leave them out in the sun, they get all
What the
brown, start
heck?
shouting little white hands. No. Layers. Onions have layers. Ogres have layers. Onions have layers.
Shrek punishment barrel. Punishment barrel? What is a punishment barrel?
What do you get? No. No. It's gonna be fun. We can stay up late, swapping manly stories in the morning. I'll make it waffles.
Oh god, this is scary. Donkey, no! There's Shrek. There's Shrek. Oh god. Oh my god. Run! Everyone run! Okay, well. That wasn't too bad. I mean, I can see him coming. But, I mean, we gotta be quick about it. I have a feeling like he's gonna be able to catch up to us pretty good. Yep, there he is. Right, so he can just come up anyways. The music's not really scary. I don't know. I don't know what to... this is weird. Why do people make these Shrek games? There's another one. Stop. Does he speed up when I collect them? I guess so. Oh my gosh, this is weird. Where's this? I guess his house is across the way here. God, I mean... What?
Hi, everybody, and welcome to the Shrek in the Swamp karaoke dance party.
That's not... that kind of sounds fun.
Okay. That's all changing.
What is this?
Never let me down before.
Stop. Okay. It's not honestly scary, but it's just weird. Like, where do I go? I don't know where I'm going. Kind of lost sight of where any other onions are. Okay. So am I supposed to go here? Just running because oh god, okay, there he is. It's taking a bit too much time. And here he comes. Okay, we need to go somewhere else. Get out of his sight. I don't know, am I supposed to go somewhere around here? Is there like an onion back here or something? At this point, this game is pretty dreck. where am I supposed to go? Here? What's here? Absolutely nothing. Does the world continue, or? No, it doesn't. Okay. Alright, invisible walls. Love them. And there he is. Okay, he's getting pretty close. Jesus. Wait, there's two houses? Yeah, there's one over here and I think there's one over there. What? Yeah, there's one house right here. It's the outhouse. Guess there's an onion in here. Yep. Okay then. Some sort of bog. What happened?
Now, you're a rock star.
Oh god. Oh god. Okay. Well, that was Swamp Simulator. Hooray! You know what? I'm just gonna go back into it. I just want to see what happens when you get caught by Shrek. We're gonna go back into it for a second. I just want to see what happens. Where's the ogre lord at? You know what? I played some of these Shrek games. You may think I'm a broker, but I'm not. I just think it's kind of funny.
Are like onions. They stink? Yes. No. Oh, they make you cry? No. Oh, you leave them out in the sun, they get all brown, start sprouting little white hairs? No. Layers. Onions.
I don't know what that's about, though.
Ogres have layers. Onions have layers? You get it. We both have layers. What do you know? Oh, it's gonna be fun. We can stay up late, swapping manly stories, and in the morning, I'll make it waffles. I'll make it
There he is. Yay.
Hey
Jesus.
now, you're a rock star.
Ooh. Okay. Well, that was by Armin's Games. That was Swamp Simulator. So, thank you guys for watching. I know it's kind of a short video, but I'll be coming out with another Tech It video sometime tomorrow or today or something like that. So, I'll see you guys in a bit. I'll see you guys later. That's been Screaming Ugmo, and I'm out. Oh, now I'm out.